Hi, welcome to Joe Humble Kitchen. Today we're going to bring you to Mauritius Island, L'Île Maurice. There, that's a very famous food. It's called the taro. We're going to make a taro fritters. The taro is like a root vegetables. You can find it in any Asian store or even in grocery store. That's how it is. And then you just peel it. You remove the skin. It becomes like this. And then you grate it. The ingredients you use in it: ginger, like 2 tablespoons of ginger, green onion, optional, and chili, red and green chili, that's too is optional. And what you need to use is the cornstarch. You mix everything together, and then you make it like small balls and you fry it. That's it. And you have a nice chili with it, chili sauce, and let's start grating. Let it strain. Hi, here you go. The taro fritter. It's a nice snack. You can have it with a nice cold beer in a hot summer day. And you can have it with a chili, some chili. You just have to break it to see how soft, how delicious it is inside. And you just dip it in the hot sauce and you eat. Enjoy, and if you watch, give me a thumb up. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe. Et bon appétit!